one welcome to Ifenemeni Ogbe. I am going to look at Isiano. You got to go. I said, oh yeah, when I'm where, or Babia and Ali, you got to go. So today we are here once again with a very inspiring topic: the power of time, patience, and consistency. You got to go. So in a lot of youth these days, good thing may take time, you know. For a good thing to happen, it needs to take time. So we are here. I can, you know, as always, the Master. So we are here. I call the Uru time by if he again one year. And Ikochilikwa, and I say Ikochili. That is consistency. Then it was the end. Because that's in the when did the so oh it went did Mali following. So the my master one on working I'm going one day Namarone for the first time.
Yeah, my master aka Papa Ngore. Nalo
So my master no topic I na.
Yeah.
Malona. So the power of time, Mama said, okay.
Time, like they say, time changes everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whenever I say that, the only thing that is constant is change. Just know that they are talking about time because it's definitely going to take time for that change to happen. So, time is money. Time is, in fact, almost the most vital thing you have any conscious of in your life. All time cannot convert it to money. Time is almost equal to money. Yeah. So I'm after time as, let me not even use that word almost because time is money. Then you monetize your own time. Your time is not worth the same amount with my own time. I'll go and let time, okay? Email that. Okay, my 1 minute is worth 10,000.
Yeah.
Somebody else's 1 minute can be worth 500. Yeah, it depends on a twist your market your own time. So what we are selling in this life is our time. Then what we know, if any the time I sell, the value. On where. That's it. Yeah.
What we sell, but time.
Our time.
What we know.
The time, that value.
And it will take time for you to know.
Yeah,
what
know something. Yeah, what will give your time that value. Yeah, you see how time is always everywhere.
So, but is time slow or fast?
No, time is not slow. It's not fast. Time is time. If you go to traffic lights now, you 30 seconds, a click before a gafe. 30 seconds, it will open for everybody.
So, but why?
Within the 30 seconds, so time is
why does it look like as if, you know, when you are trying to build, the time looks slow? You know, most of the people, why they don't, everybody wants to rush, you know, based on, they want to be faster than that time. Mother, I didn't faster than time.
No, you know, your enthusiasm, your zeal, be facilitate your time.
Okay.
If you are interested in learning and you are curious in per seconds, like every second you are interested in something, you are building, you're researching, you are knowing. So you see that your time will count. But when you are stagnant or sluggish in learning, if that the time they are the time are too slow. So that's it.
But even though we are say,
yeah.
But when it comes to attaining success, they will tell you na patience.
Yeah.
So what concerns patience?
You know, the MN1 is Igbo ideology. And that ideology is avoiding like bad luck, misfortune, something like that. So sometimes they may make odachi. So yeah. You can be rushing. Oh, you want to be fast. You want to get to somewhere
and even
meet your odachi that place.
Maybe a day a little bit slower.
Yeah. You can avoid where the odachi. So that's why I enjoy saying all Igbo ideology, and most times our researchers stopped researching. The Igbo researchers, all the people who made all those words, at a point, I just use old ones. People stopped researching. And like I say, all time naga, and so many things. The norm of 10 years ago, it changed go by now.
Yeah.
Or the charozie toward the then. So we make a lot that maybe no only joke agaka na that time because ngwangwa na speed na moto we kill it accidents. So and the ngwangwa leading to that.
So the my master then it take now for sometimes then when some like when you look at like life expectancy for Nigeria, you see it dropped very well. You know, you can check the numbers online for the age check here. You know, so now it take now. Sometimes is that reason why our youth for obele in school, you know, or man they interested na the school, before they interested, even because maybe probably na agwagi na omo no gather. You know, even
why this thing touched me so badly was just that on Monday, that was my birthday, a close friend was happy online, wishing me happy birthday, saying who is my master online, not knowing that that was the father's last day on earth.
Oh.
So towards the evening, the father went to see me. Rush out the man gave up. So I'll just say my condolences to my good friend Ebuka Arinze. So Chukwu Ebuka Arinze, and it was a painful stuff. And the father in this case now in his early 70s. Not in his early 70s. So when I think of people in the US, check here Trump, check here Biden, check there are so many old persons in the US, very much above 70. Some of them are in their 80s. And I'll tell myself that something is going wrong in Africa. Maybe we are not considering it now, but something is going wrong. Most times we lose interest in life itself. Yeah, we lose focus, we lose zeal, we lose something that will engage us, that will keep us active. If I say 70 years, now what was the president? I think that position should be reserved for people above 70. Yeah. Well, let me say from 60. Governorship around 60, that's good. Presidency should be reserved for people above 70. At least let them see something that will be engaging them. There are some positions that, I'm not Nigeria, I'm not the one deciding, so I'm just saying my own opinion. There are some positions that when you see a man that is interested in becoming a president, the man will see reasons to stay alive and live healthy. Plan safe ahead. In a you that is a kid, you now plan how to. You now plan no can way. Even 2027 now, a very old man is planning ahead for campaign in 2027.
Yes.
So you see that people, and while somebody somewhere, in his 50s, let me say early 60s, retirement, or Nazia village, Jesu. You see that Ike Aichen in a Jesu, or Ike no, just Mother Ike, will give way up now. I am waiting for time. I am waiting for time. Time for what? Time to leave the earth. But if we see engage yourself every minute of your life, once you are alive, you are supposed to be busy.
Once you are alive and healthy.
Yeah. You are supposed to, and healthy, good. You are supposed to be busy. And even if in managing your health, you can say be very careful. And then with long-term plan, if you are planning to live long, you can see what to avoid. If somebody was telling me that The only good thing left for us in Nigeria is the air. We say, how sure are you? How sure are you that the air is still healthy? So, because I'm a non-way, and pollution, and other things. And the water self, well, the purification of our water, the process is miracle before I send all the Nigeria. And some of us will say our fathers lived like that, our grandfathers lived like that, but definitely they were not eating the kind of food we eat today. And even abroad, go this source of food, the medications, the way we go about drugs, they don't do that. They were not doing it when it was their time. So there are so many things we need to put together to understand the change that we are facing now.
So, okay, the members are okay, now pointing out what it takes, you know, to be successful. When we talk about success, like what do a young man, what is he going to take that person, called the normal at least, or what was it?
Yeah, and that
to be able to afford daily.
It's a very good question, and it involves planning. You start early in your life. You know where you're headed. Or if I can choy me, or if I can choy you follow that path. Or in all path, if you choy me, back here and patience. Why? Because we've accumulated the knowledge. You made that thing. Back here and patience. But in our time now, people off watcher, or child or fuji. Anyway, let's say you are a medical doctor in on a medical line. You know, got a phone and content creation. No, Ubugale Amotu. You resign from your work. No, content creation. Then, even at that content creation, you will not look for something that is in line with your profession. Then, doing it the medical side of the content creation. Some of them are buying to comedy. You start doing comedy, and you within the comedy now, your name is Q. So it will not be working the way. All people that na formal that na everybody be unique in your own way. Follow your own path. Whatever you are displaying, that your uniqueness, if you present it to the people, that's what's going to make you stand out. But if you jump from one place to another, that's where that patience will disappoint the person. Because if you are not patient enough to stick to what you believe in, then modify. Another thing that I like to tell people about is publicity. If you are not able to publicize what you are or who you are, then definitely you will be left with the people who are not just your closet. But the world is open to all of us now. So if you can open your heart, accept the change that has come, that the world is open even to you, that you can be posting stuff. People in US are now for. Why not sell yourself? Sell what you are capable of doing. So, indicator, younger people now want it big. I was now I want to say me heavy. Call short to John Terry.
Now, the man was looking at the kind of content some artists in a book there. There's a amount of pressure
on people,
on the vulnerable to all those things. If we can heavy, the next thing I joke about heavy.
You see, all these things work hand in hand. All these things work hand in hand. That was why I was. I think it was in this program. You see, music. Music is doing more than any government can ever think of.
Harm or good?
Two ways.
Okay.
Music is doing both harms and good to the country more than the government and their strategies can ever do. Why? You see, at your sober time, you are with your music. When you are happy, you are with your music. When you're sad, you are with your music. And music, where the kind of music that will shape your reasoning and something that will resonate to you at every particular time. So when you are with young people, heavy, John Terry. So when you are with those people and they play that kind of music, you see, somehow it will be rubbing off on you. Your reasoning na that angle. Sometimes you even feel you are running out of time. So, what did you build? Yeah, heavy. If build, where have you been? What have you? Impact you? What are you selling? Because let me just say, your time. What's the value of your time? That's the best question. What's the value of your time? And when somebody all these people now softwares and cool. Yeah, no loan at their house, couple or something, AI or so, wepotea on a year, passive income.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the value of the person's time. The time on your put to web build the thing. It will bring me to talking about B Lord and his apps. You see, no matter how you talk about the young man, he knows how to do business. Just be talking, and he will be using the advantage to put up something. So that's what I'm trying to tell people. If you want it heavy, what are you doing? If you build that is in line with if you hit heavy in future, and are you patient enough to build to the stage that you are going to earn heavy? It I swear. Check your time will take you down go to the refinery.
Yeah.
Now, is almost practicing monopoly in Nigeria now.
Yes.
If you not like your the oil market in Nigeria. So he built it. He was patient enough. He invested. He put in his time. He put in his contacts. So now, what are you doing that is going to equate to that behavior in future? So that's what we have to ask.
So okay, now you see, from what you said, you have to have something you've like on all the mechanic. You have to be there, and that's where the consistency comes in. Or not just starting the thing.
Yeah.
EBD not
yeah. Build yeah. Even if others are not seeing what you are seeing, you are the one seeing it.
Yeah.
Just lay your ambush. Now build there. But time.
The Master, what do you have to say to those that have been doing a particular thing for their lifetime? At the end of the day,
it's not working.
Yeah.
Let me just push out something. Me, I've been doing so many things, and you know, one of them, the water. Before I delved deeply into water, I was studying it. I had the opportunity, with a professor of water engineering. Yeah. So money now they follow everything,
and
water behavior.
Only not study or the thing cannot have your experience
of course.
Or your ideas.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so because now, I was when the handout.
This is another angle. First of all, before you go into it, you know, when this trend on TikTok that came
information they available.
And when this trend on TikTok that came out, when somebody inquired, maybe on a Joe. Somebody name wiring or see or see
okay.
So those kind of people now, definitely you and I know now. Every Kenya or Chondena So now that kind of this person need or this experience in or to study if he need to get a job
on marketing side, marketing can that person because the person is able to connect people, and at least the person here on your the business you trust.
Okay.
That people can trust.
Meaning you have to still build trust.
Yeah, you build something. You have to build something. So why I am coming from this angle to talk about what you asked. So after studying it, I went into drilling first. When I saw the problems of drilling, I decided to go into the manual hand digging, to go into it. Then I saw what shales were doing, the weather shales, the fractured shales, and the other aquifer levels that were problems. There were challenges with yield, water yield. So I discovered all these things. And what did I do? I made sure I was rooted in the field. Before I started telling people, oh, I do this kind of thing. And you know what? I had to build integrity around what I do. So that nobody will come out any day and say, oh, this person, I've given him a job and he did not deliver. I will not lie to you. if your area is not going to be that prolific, I'll tell you. Most times I tell them to, oh yeah, why not go for survey? So that when I am working, I'll work according to the survey results. So you see all these things that I'm pointing out.
Meaning imago, and were some complaints before that you and some people all
far more
so for those challenges
because they don't know about it.
Now, what you've been able to do before you go into that job, you first of all do a survey. From your
and
survey, you already know
the challenges.
You already know the challenges. And
then I will not keep it to myself. I will tell the person, because if you don't have a problem, you don't need to call me. It's only when you have a problem. And you have it at the back of your mind that I am coming to solve your problem, not my own problem. This is your problem. You have water problem. And you are calling me to come and solve it. So when I come there, what we are looking for is solution. I will be 100% part of the solution. So, and in all these things, you see, building integrity, na account, on our matter. People send money from all walks of life, and in fact, all countries. Okay, deliver this job. They don't even care. They are not even scared of sending you money because they know where to get you. You understand all these things? So if you are doing one thing, why not think of how to publicize that thing you are doing? Why not think of how to take a step further? Don't just be in that same confine that every other person is. Do your further research. Come out with something different from what people are used to. And you present your job, what you are doing, better. People need the guesswork. Let them see what you are able to do. The ones they may go. And from the way you talk, they should know, so if you, or some people will say if you are yarning dust, people will just look and pass. So it's good if you are doing anything in life, first of all, go deeply into it. If it's something you are okay with, not something somebody pushed you into. If it's something you want to see yourself doing in the future, make out time to study it more. And when you do that, please advertise. It is very, very important. You cannot take away advert from success. Whatever you are doing now, you cannot remove advert from success.
All right, the master will call for a short break. Then don't forget that you can still do advert here. Or if I come to ABS Aroma, or you go to Onitsha, you go ABS, or if I advert anywhere you are, and they will go with bigger reach. Thank you very much, my master, for pointing it out. So we'll be going for a short break. If we come back, we'll continue. Alone. All right, welcome back to Ogbe. Yeah, if you're just joining, our topic today, the power of time, patience and consistency. So, and this thing is particular, to everybody, mostly our youth, our younger, time is money. You have to, you have to put in value to that time. Time creates you value, and your time becomes valuable. So patience and consistency. Okay, so the Bible master now because I asked you if is time fast or slow. Depending on how you are seeing it. Depending on how the person is seeing it. But there were sometimes time now, funding where those that have set out goals,
Yeah.
you see that within that your time, you see that it will still, that time will still pass, and that your goal is not, you won't still achieve it.
Yeah.
So, or in a field, that kind of a thing, a lot of people will think, no, village people. So,
Okay.
so let's talk about village people trying to. Do you believe it's possible now? Village people wake in and make that's your time, that time.
Yeah, okay, let me just call the word village people. Now, if age, when they represent a particular set of people who don't want your progress.
Yeah.
People who don't want somebody to succeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you tell me if it's just about village people in the village, are you telling me they don't have what to do with their own time? They are now sitting on your own time, trying to make sure you don't succeed. So what about their own success? How do they succeed on their own? How do they feed? What do they eat while they are trying to stop you from succeeding? So I don't believe in village people this, village people that. I believe in that you have to conquer. You conquer your ground. Be successful. You see, it will get to a stage that you will not be reachable. Instead of village people, what can they do? No, because he's on his lane. Getting close to himself, what you go through before. And if you are going close to him, if you have the chance to get close to him, you won't bother yourself to go and bring something that will cause a problem. You only go there hoping to get something good. So that's why I don't think any village person name anybody. So if you are still confusing yourself with if in a build that it's a good reason for failure, and it does not take away the failure. A failed person has failed. Yeah, if you have a very good reason why you are failing, it does not change the fact that you are going to fail. If you have a very good reason why you are not succeeding, it will not change the fact that you are not succeeding. So don't look for reasons to fail, because that reason that is okay, it's because of this thing that I'm failing. Somebody else will see that as a motivation to push on and succeed. Yeah. And when somebody say, oh, because now my parents said they did not pay my school fees. Why also my parents say, man, when they phone my parents fail, or motivation, they went out, hostel, actually to fire you, we save money, we just one for now. So that is now in yourself, while you are comfortable failing with a good reason, people are having it as motivation why they should succeed and why they. When somebody meet recently, a very big head, or watch how he managed to go through school. Ogona Unizik, now he's in US and he's big. So he's someone I'm fond of. Even you know, got through life, or mature at the end of the whole thing, now I succeed. Even humility, it was the son, and it wasn't that even the father at this his level can also know when you keep it torture or Zion, because when you do it, you've done it. Or dear to each other. You don't go to blame somebody, oh, why didn't you sweep here? You have to change the change you want. You effect it by yourself. So looking for reasons all the time, okay, Obromo accordel, no accordel, is just your time is still ticking out. That's the truth. Because at the end of the whole thing, who is failing? The person that is failing is the one failing. So looking for reason is not a good thing. On your village people, not village people near, the person is myopic. That's the word.
All right, I want to kind of, we are live on Facebook. You can follow us on Anambra Broadcasting Service, ABS. So, Anthony Umere said, good afternoon, ABS, watching from Zamfara State. I think, oh, when the other time you talked about the power of social media, I don't know. Zamfara opinion and if I know. So you can follow us on Facebook so that you'll be joining our program. So, or if there's any Ogbe, or a program we do here, so you can place your advert when you're na alwaka si anyike na bro eme ka obi dege mo yo
Yeah,
no la no nwe topic ai ja na agbali na amuta ife ne. Okay, so the Bible Master, moving on, like you said, Imane say na Igbo, is it Igbo scholars?
Yeah.
Ademezi research. Meaning na nke family eme, it's corrupting.
The modern time, because most of them they need to go adjustment. Most of the things they need to go adjustment. Or they toward the then. We are according to their environment then, but now things they change. You go.
Okay, does it mean they encourage?
Some of them, not
evil,
all of them.
Like evil then, because negativity.
Yeah.
Does it mean they encourage negativity then?
Yeah, the only thing is
because
that I can
looking at those adages, you see that it's not something you agree with now.
Yeah. Oh, but you know, I used to say I don't argue religion. So any book or anything or any doctrine or any ideology somebody shared is in line with the time the person shared the ideology. Yeah, some of them can as in live over time. Yeah, let's say when we come to this modern time, there are some of the adages they used in those olden days that are still okay now. But some of them lived according to that time, what they were facing, what they were seeing. It's also like that in most of our religious books.
Okay.
Yeah. So I like to put out the fact that time has changed so many things. And like we used to say all the time, the only thing that is constant is change. And that change works with time. So now time has happened. And many people are still in reluctance. They don't want to accept the new normal. So these are the things we have to also factor in. So our scholars, the Igbo scholars, it's not just, why I had to put out this one too, is that it's not just the Igbos. Almost all of them, even the Chinese people, they use adages a lot. They have their adage that says that a man that knows too many businesses, that his family wallow in hunger. If you know too many businesses, you see this business, you want to do it, you put in your, it means that every money that is in your pocket
is for business.
Is for business. Your family will be there. We are hungry. Just wait. Let me do business first. Yeah, but you know that it gets to a time when the money will start coming out, that the man will not even know, or will not even concentrate on what the family eats, because the family will have more than enough. Just like Dangote's family.
Yeah.
Now, it's not the business of the father to think of what the children will eat, because all of them are bigger than what they eat. So, you see, that's why when I talk, I just want to point out the fact that time is very, very important. And in everything you are studying in life, study it according to time. You may read this book now and book of, let's say, solutions. Formula, and you'll come out to use it without knowing that so many things have changed. You apply most of the things you learned from the book, and you're seeing that the result is not what it should be. So that's why we have to come out with learning every day, adjusting, trying to be real, practicalize what we think we've learned, and see the ones that are going to fail. Because sometimes I used to tell people, business happy in a calculator.
Other work too.
Other work on a real life, it is where appear. Or but as I failed, enough for facts. So if it's the calculator, Jegodi potana field, Germany, when you can no the list if each or ego na afia, Ebazani mafia, you see something else. So like Michael Jackson, you better be starting something. You need to start something. You need to come out, start something, do something. Then you learn more. Thank you.
All right, Imaguna, talking about growth, that growth takes time, consistency. You have to be credible. You have to be. Is it okay now? Can you take some positive and negative and it will work? Or it all has to be positive? Because we already know all negative. If it's all negative, definitely on my work, because nobody's going to trust you. You won't go.
Yeah.
So, but can you, that concept of ana alolo, can you succeed with that kind of
Okay. Let me still come from a different angle because in ana alolo, I won't support it because I don't know onye nwe ife ana alụ n'ụlụ. Ịghọta. I support why olue na nke gị mbọsị aya alụlụ gị. Say lụkwa agụ dị ụlụ. So what I will say is that onwe preaching mmadụ ya enye. You will notice that this preaching now, this person is being realistic. Or that try ka o tee okwu de. Most of the people that succeed in life, they are not just straightforward. Fana enwe some street vibes. So if I na street sides, onye aye enwekwa oya asige ịmalụ ndị ezigbo ịmalụkwa ndị ọjọọ ka ọ ya bụ olibido gị n'abalị ịfụ ndị ya akpọ. Yeah. So all those things now work together. Then mmadụ onye ọbụla bụ a human being. Masi iye enwe allies. Iye enwe people you work with. If US was a saint country, I don't think they would be where they are today. If Israel was like a saint country, Fachoro, don't stain me, I don't think they will still be existing today. So, ịmụta nwa na-agwụ ya gbala okwu na ụka ọsọ. Eya asịrị ya ama anyị ụla na ntị nke a ya tụgharị ya ntị nke ọzọ.
Okwu na ụka chọta ya nya face na
ya. So iya amalele nwa m ka ị na-agbala okwu na ụka ọsọ, learn defense, learn self defense. Gbala okwu na ụka ọsọ ọ ga-ebu n'ụzọ chọ. Mana ọ bụrụ na ọ gị ka okwu na ụka chọta. Ịmala ata alụ ịmala n'akọ mbọ. That's the thing. So I won't tell anybody that wants to succeed in life to just take only the positive sides. No, na your negative sides. Kalia the positive.
Beans and rice.
Kalia the positive. I'm saying it, and I know that my personality is in display currently because the words are coming from my mouth. But I will just say it to you. I was born in Onitsha. I grew up in the street. I grew up when the Rico was a role model. You understand? So you should know where these words are coming from. I'm going to know mluto P worker. Oburu etu nsi abata n'ime ABS ka nsi aga for P worker. That's because a gatherer. Yeah. Onwe ebe ya na-aga ịchọ inyolide anya. Nwe ebe ya aga esayesi anya.
Esayesi anya nke mana I don't read.
So to life for the onye ọbụla ya ama ka o si azọ onwe ya. Thank you.
All right, the Master now for na time and and we've come to the end of our program.
Yeah.
At least things to take away, but this last one, I'm not taking it away. So growth takes time. It takes everything positive, everything good for you to grow. In week, you'll be doing. You think no one is watching or more. You are on a screen. Well, we are always on a screen. We are always on somebody's face.
Yeah.
And those people who are make because you know. So coming from the Maya Master, you've seen it. It takes time, and those time are very important. Depend on what you do with it.
Yeah, a few last things to say. First of all, I would like to appreciate all the people that wished me well. It was on Monday this week. That was my birthday, so I would like to appreciate all the people that wished me well. Thank you very much. I appreciate all the people that say something about who is Maya Master. Thank you very much. I love being real. I'm a realist. So whatever I say, just know that I'm not painting it. So I'm being real so that you see the facts, you see the truth. If you hear it from my mouth, say that this is Maya Master's word. Keep it that way because that's exactly the way I see it. So I'm not going to hide anything. I'm not going to pretend. I'm going to be giving you the truth from now till the rest of my life. That's what I've signed. So, but they say change is constant. If I change, you self go no. Thank you very much.
All right, well, we've come to the end of our program. If any Ogbe, it's Mona, the Maya Master, Moa, Afambu, Ugodna VFS. I am see you, I will follow anyị na all our social media handle ABS, Anambra Broadcasting Service, Ghana, Facebook, Twitter, I know everywhere. So you have access to our wonderful programs, you know. I very educative, you know. Latest news, if you get there. So, yeah, before it goes, yeah, go on, so thank you and be good.